What's up, guys? Really excited to share this video with you, specifically of death row in Tennessee State Prison. Also, as you probably already know, in March of 2020, Nashville State Prison took a direct hit by a tornado and it took on significant damage. So I'm not really sure how much longer this place is going to be around. I hope they can salvage and preserve some of the history that's there, but at this point, there's not really any telling. So I wanted to go and document this place before it's too late. Anyway, I'm going to shut up. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Check it out.
Okay, here's death row. I think down here is the electric chair room. So these cells right here are numbered. These are all the cells of the inmates waiting to be executed. Number 5, 4, this is 3, 2, 1. And here's the waiting cell. Here's the execution room. This is where the electric chair was. And this is the exhaust that would blow out the smoke from the bodies as they were more or less frying. I imagine this used to be the switch room. It's such a heavy place. Man, could you imagine being in this building? Knowing that this is the last building you're ever going to be in. Waiting for your number to be up. So sad. Now this building is just standing as a monument. Oh, this is cool. The wall is painted really differently in here. Even the light switch cover. I bet they allowed inmates to paint the walls in death row. I guess it's the least they could do. place. And a mural in their cell. Oh my God. Wow. What a heavy place. What a heavy place. Man. There's a little outside area. But this is probably for just letting them out to get some fresh air. Man, what a sad building. Tight squeeze. I gotta get a photo of this. Hold up. All right. Looks like there was a fire on this section at one point. A lot of soot on the ceiling, it looks like. Well, that's pretty much it. The infamous death row in Nashville, Tennessee. Hold on, I gotta get a picture of this too.
So about 20 minutes after I recorded this footage, I was walking back to my car in the dark and I was caught by security, and I wound up being detained for over 3 hours waiting for the police to show up and arrest me. But to make a long story short, we waited for so long for the cops to show up that eventually the security guards felt sorry for me, so they let me go. So I got extremely lucky that night that I didn't catch a trespassing charge on government property. So I want to let you guys know, if you're ever thinking about going to Tennessee State Prison, I promise you it's a lot harder than it looks, and I highly discourage you from trying it. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video.